Hello there. It is Friday here, end of another week. And I thought today I share with you some discussions I've had this week with people around gurus and fake gurus, and how do you find out who's fake and who is not in this wonderful online world that we are living in. So to tell you about that, here's a little story. I'm not sure if you know that, but I was previously in the jewelry industry. And to this day, I still get these wonderful jeweler magazines, and they have got all these really cool gemstones and ideas and jewelry in there. Not that I need any of that these days. My own daughter is a designing jeweler. She made these, for example, and they are real. They are real golden pearls and real diamonds and real 18-karat gold. My daughter is Jeweler's Vault, and you can find her here on Facebook. Little plug for her. That's not what the story is, though. People come and find that it is really hard to know when they go and work with somebody, when they join a program, is the person real? Does the person know what's going on? And here's the story about the famous Timor Ruby. It was a ruby that was discovered, when was it? Now, a very long time ago, around about 1800 and something, and through the network over in India, in those areas there, through the discoveries and bringing back jewels to royalty in the UK and England, to Queen there, I think it was Queen Victoria, if I'm not mistaken, could have been earlier. They brought back this fantastic large ruby and put it into a necklace later on for her huge piece. That's called the Timor Ruby. When they finally put it into some jewelry for the Queen, they discovered it wasn't actually a ruby at all. It was a spinel. Now, that's still a gemstone, but it's nowhere near as precious and as valuable as the ruby. So until you discover, until you go deeper and find out what somebody does or doesn't know and can and cannot do, and how they do or do not help you as the guru, can be tricky. Here is one thing, though, that you can do for yourself in your business, whatever coach or consulting area you are in, to overcome that fear, or that perhaps people not knowing who you are and how genuine you are in what you do. And that is when you write your book. Your uniqueness, your unique approach to how you work with people, what you do with the people, can become your foundation, your methodology, carved in stone, for a better word, in the form of a fully published, printed, or online book. So as the business owner, the coach, consultant with a book, you have a tangible, solid foundation to show and share your credibility, your value, and that you are genuine and not a fake, like the famous Timor Ruby. That's the story I wanted to share with you very briefly today on this last day of this week. Sigrid Cast, happy weekend to you.